These are my crispy Parmesan sourdough crackers made with the sourdough discard. I used 108 grams of discard, but you can use more if you've got it, and 20 grams of melted butter, a pinch of salt. Pour the melted butter on once it's cooled and then mix well. Once this is all combined, get your baking tray and place some baking parchment paper onto it. I sprayed the tray with some water first and then put my paper onto it so that it stuck nicely. And then I used a palette knife because I find this easiest, and spread thinly your mixture. As thinly as you can get it, really. And then start adding your toppings. I used quite a bit of black pepper. I did put some more pinch of salt onto it, and some garlic powder, a sprinkle of garlic powder, and plenty of Parmesan. You can use any toppings you like. These crackers don't last long in our house. They always turn out really well, really crispy, and they're just a nice, convenient snack. So preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius, then pop them in for the first 10 minutes, and then get them out of the oven and start shaping. I always do mine in long, thin slices, just because it's easier. And then you'll want to pop them back in the oven for around 15 to 20 minutes. It may take longer depending on your oven, but you want them a nice golden brown. Okay, and there we are. So quick and so simple. And then you're not wasting your discard. So crispy, and what a crunch.